Hello and welcome to this new video where we will teach you to develop a network cable for you to start. In this case we will make the cross cable. Material: 4 meters UTP category 5, 4 connectors or J45, frame tweezers, cable tester and scissors. First, in each side of the wire cut the plastic cover with a distance of 4 cm and uncover the pairs of tighter wire. Then, unplug the wires and leave them as tight as possible. Order from left to right the cables of the cable according to the standard indicated in this first end of the cable. Rule 568A will be applied in this order: with green, green, with orange, blue, blue, white, orange, with brown, brown.
The next step is to insert the wire inside the connector RJ45 with the plugins upside up to the top. 7. Crimp or press the wire using the tweezer, making pressure to the tall wire string. Be careful not so strong.
Add the other and the same procedure will be repeated but now using the standard 568B. Its order is of the following way: with orange, orange, with green, blue, white, blue, green, with brown, brown.
Verify why the wire does if it works correctly. The light must turn on green color in a sequential wall. Next, make pen from a computer the another to check there is communication.
1. In each PC open system symbol. 2. Write the ipconf command and hit enter. 3. Copy the IPv4 address that is displayed. 4. Write ping space IP address of the other PC and hit enter. As a result, for send, for receive, and cell log spec must appear.